Kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we are going to solve the exercise for the poem called The Sheep. We have already finished the question answer part, also true or false part, and make sentences using the following words. We have also solved this exercise, and today we are moving on to the next part of the language development part, that is read the sentences, circle the adjectives. So what are adjectives? Words that describe nouns. So see here, first sentence is Mantra lives in a tall new building in Mumbai. Mantra lives in a what kind of a building? He lives in a tall new building in Mumbai. Mantra कैसी building में रहता है? He lives in a tall and new building. So here tall and new are the word that are describing the word building. So here we will circle these words, tall and new. Okay, the next one is the fat green caterpillar grew bigger. What kind of a caterpillar? Fat and green. Caterpillar कैसा है? Fat और green है. So fat and green are the words that are describing the caterpillar here. So these are adjectives. Moti is an old fluffy grey dog. What kind of a dog Moti is? It is an old, fluffy and it is a grey dog. So these are the words which are describing this dog. Then Rani Lakshmibai was known to be clever, patriotic and fearless. Rani Lakshmibai was known as what? She was known to be clever, patriotic and fearless. So these are the three things that are describing Rani Lakshmibai here. The necklace is made of small white pearls. What kind of a pearls? Small pearls, white pearls. So these are the words which are describing the pearls. So these are what? Adjectives. Okay. Now read and learn. And, but or because are joining words. Okay. They are called conjunctions. So we need to do what? Join the following sentences using conjunction. So ये जो words है ये conjunction है जो दो sentences को जोड़ता है. For example, I ran fast. This is one sentence. I missed the bus. This is second sentence. So we can use the conjunction words and we can join this sentence. How? Let's see. So see here, I ran very fast, but I missed the bus. You won the prize. One sentence. Second sentence, you worked hard. Now, with conjunction, you won the prize because you worked hard. Meena did not attend the party. She was not invited. Meena did not attend the party because she was not invited. Amar may be in house. He may be in the garden. Amar may be in the house or he may be in the garden. Danish was rich. Danish was not happy. Danish was rich, but Danish was not happy. So this is how we join two sentences. We make one sentence out of two sentences using these conjunctions. Okay. Now moving on to the next page. Let's learn some grammar part, that is simple tenses. Read and learn. The simple present tense is used to indicate habits, regular actions, current situations, general truth or fact. Simple present tense वो चीज़ों को दर्शाता है जैसे कि हैबिट्स, रेगुलर एक्शन जो रेगुलरली करते हैं, या फिर करंट सिचुएशन जो प्रेजेंट में सिचुएशन है, या फिर कोई जनरल ट्रूथ्स और फैक्ट्स के बारे में दर्शाने के लिए सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही गोज़ फॉर अ वॉक एवरी डे. वो वॉक के लिए हर दिन जाता है. सो दिस इज़ अ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस क्योंकि वो उसकी एक डेली हैबिट है, वो ये चीज़ रोज़ करता है. So he goes for a walk every day. So here this is simple present tense. Okay, this sentence is in simple present tense. The cobbler mends shoes. Cobbler क्या करता है? यही जनरल फैक्ट है या फिर जनरल ट्रूथ है that cobbler mends shoes. cobbler क्या करता है? शूज़ को मेंड करता है. So he mends shoes. So it is in simple present tense. Now there is some rule. The simple present tense resembles the base verb. Base verb here is go and here meant. Base verb इस चीज में base verb क्या है? He goes for a walk every day. Here the base verb is go. Go is a base verb here. Go is a base verb here. But we add s, es or res to base verb when the subject is in third person. So when we are talking about the third person, he, she, it, जब हम third person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, he के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, she के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या फिर it के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम base verb को s लगाते हैं या फिर es लगाते हैं या फिर ies लगाते हैं. So we have added es here to the base verb. He goes for a walk every day. So base verb, we add it to the base verb when the subject is in third person singular. जब ये थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, ही, शी, इट है, तब हम बेस वर्ब क्या लगाते हैं? एस, ई एस और आई एस. और फॉर आई एंड यू वी से आई स्पाई, यू स्पाई. व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग सिंगुलर, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, वी एड व्हाट? एस, ई एस और आई एस. सो हियर शी स्पाइस. बेस वर्ब इज स्पाई. For you we say base verb. For I we say base verb. I spy, you spy, she spies, he spies. Okay. Next one is the simple past tense shows an action that happened in the past and is over. जो चीज़ पास्ट में हो चुकी है, जो ख़त्म हो चुकी है, उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. He worked in Dubai last year. Here base verb is work. So we have added ed. So he worked in Dubai last year. If it was in present tense, अगर वो present tense में रहता तो हम क्या कहते हैं? He works in Dubai. He works in Dubai. इतना ही कहते हैं. But वो last year दुबई में काम करता था. So we will say या फिर काम कर चुका है. He worked in Dubai last year. वो last year दुबई में काम कर चुका है. ये action हो चुका है. It is also used to talk about past habits. Example, he exercised every day. ये simple past tense उस लिए भी दर्शाते हैं जिसके like example जो past में habits रह चुकी हैं. For example, he exercised every day. वो हर दिन exercise करता था. He exercised every day. वो हर दिन exercise करता था. For that we will say he exercised every day. So if it was in present tense, we would have said that he exercises every day. अगर ये present tense में रहता, अगर वो still exercise करता है रोज, तो हम क्या कहते हैं? He exercises every day. But ये past tense में है, जो वो एक चीज़ करता था, so we will say he exercised every day. Okay. Then comes the simple future tense. This shows an action that will happen sometime in the future. Example, I will be in grade 5 next year. Simple future tense उस चीज़ को दर्शाता है जो फ्यूचर में होने वाली है या फिर हो सकती है. एग्जाम्पल, आई विल बी इन ग्रेड 5 नेक्स्ट ईयर. यू कैन नाउ से दैट यू विल बी इन ग्रेड 5 नेक्स्ट ईयर. आप कहेंगे कि मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर ग्रेड 5 में जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी, रहूंगा या रहूंगी. सो आई विल बी. यूज सिंगुलर वर्ब्स लाइक is, was, washes, knows, etc. with singular subject. Example, she knows it. So when you are talking about singular subject, जब आप एक singular subject के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो आपका verb क्या होगा? singular verb. Example, कौन सा verb रहेगा? is, was, washes. यहाँ पे s आएगा. बेस वर्ब को एक एस आएगा. नो, नोज. when you are talking about singular subject like he, she, it. she, see here, she knows it. यहाँ पे एक s ऐड किया है, यहाँ पे एक singular verb लिया गया है. knows is singular verb here. use plural verb like are, were, wash, know, etc. with plural subject. जब subjects एक से ज़्यादा है, plural है, तब हम प्लूरल वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे कि आर, वर, वॉश, नो, एक्सेट्रा. हम बेस वर्ब को एस नहीं लगाएंगे. सिंगुलर वर्ब इज यूज विद सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट एंड प्लूरल वर्ब इज विद प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड? Now we have some exercise related to this. Use the verbs in the brackets in the simple present tense. One example has been done for you. Sheila comes first in class. Here for the base verb we have added this s. Okay, because here Sheila is singular subject here. Sheila comes first in class, but her brothers come last in their class. So brothers here is plural subjects. So we will use what? Plural verbs. We will not add any s here. Similarly, the next example is Rohan and Ajay. Here we are talking about two people. So base verb is as it is go. Rohan and Ajay go to a temple and their friend Aslam goes to mosque. Here Aslam is singular. Rohan and Ajay together they are plural. So Aslam goes, Rohan and Ajay go. Okay. A bulb, which is a singular, shines. We will add s to it. A bulb shines in a room. The stars, which are plural, shine. We will not add any s here in the sky. A bulb shines in a room. The stars shine in the sky. Flocks of flamingos fly together. A flamingo flies alone. Here flocks is plural here. See here, flocks of flamingos fly together. A flamingo, which is a singular, flies alone. We have added what? is. Now base verb changes from form to indicate the tense or time of an event or action. Use the verb in the bracket in the simple past tense. जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ब है उसे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट करके हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है. द चिल्ड्रन जम्प्ड इनटू द रिवर एंड स्वैम अक्रॉस. स्विम का सिंपल पास्ट टेंस क्या आएगा? स्वैम. जंप का जम्प. द चिल्ड्रन जम्प्ड इनटू द रिवर एंड स्वैम अक्रॉस. अ ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स वेंट. गो का क्या आता है? सिंपल पास्ट टेंस वेंट. अ ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स वेंट टू द फेयर एंड बाय का क्या आता है? बॉट मैनी थिंग्स. राम ब्रोक द bow and married Sita. Painter scrubbed and painted the walls in the kitchen. Now next one is use the verbs from the box in the simple future tense. अभी इसका simple future tense हमें लिखना है. We will sing patriotic song on Independence Day. My friends will visit me next week. Nikki and her family will leave for a holiday soon. The principal will come on rounds in an hour. Our school will participate in the spelling bee contest. Okay, so this was about simple past tense. I hope you have understood it. So we have finished this poem called The Sheep. In next class we will learn a new lesson called The Fox and the Elephant. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, study well and take care.